Alright, so after long time I'm making one more video, but I'm ensured that I will give you a best strategy. Are you guys ready to learn a new strategy? Type ready in the comment box. If you are ready, type ready in the comment box. Super awesome. So as usual, you've been seeing one of my pattern, which is called open range breakout strategy. Okay, open range breakout. So there are so many variations of ORB. The one that I am doing it here is on a very simple 15-minute breakout strategy. And whether you are a working professional or you are somebody who is planning to now do it, it works extremely good. So how does this work? I've taken SBI and this works on 15 minutes breakout. What I've done is I've made a small change. I've added 1% stop loss and 5% target. 1% stop loss and 5% target. 5% target. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you go to SBI chart, you will find, for example, here is where the first candle starts. Okay, this is the first candle. You buy on the high of this, keeping low as not keeping low, but 1% of this, 185 and 1%. That's going to be the target. And buy on the high of this, 1% will be your target. And when it reverses, you sell again. Okay, and then you sell here, boom, you make huge profits. So and I've been testing this for quite some time, but today, as a gift from my side, I'm giving it you for last 6 months. I'll give you for last 6 months along with some interesting facts. How many of you want to learn some additional facts that you don't find otherwise? So you will get to see how many wins and losses. I've added brokerage, and then what is the total after brokerage, and this is coming to about this is total trade by trade, and then this is the drawdown. This is the cumulative for 1 lakh, approximately 1 lakh investment. You have got about 5,22,000 after brokerage. And how does the equity curve look like? So you will see this here, that let me enlarge this for you. Okay, can you all see this? So what is happening here is you start with 0, and it went down, went to 330. I think it went to minus also somewhere, minus 3,000, and then see, this is for one lot of bank nifty. You will be able to see how for so many days it was just on flat curve, and then went up, flat curve, went sharp up, then down, sharp up, down, down, and you can see. Okay, so I've also calculated the drawdown here. The drawdown is also calculated. You will see that the maximum drawdown that has happened on your account is, okay, let me increase the font size. The maximum drawdown that has happened on your account is, if you can see this, minus 18,000, minus 11,000, that's the maximum, minus 24, that's the highest as of now, minus 25, minus 30, that's the highest as of now. So for all of you who are wanting to know what is drawdown, so now is minus 31,000 now. Okay, minus 31, that's the highest so far. Minus 31, minus 31, minus 31, looks like that is the largest. So, and also this is done for 2 trades a day. This is not just 1 trade a day. This is done for 2 trades a day. And if you want to know what is a drawdown, I will give you that this thing. So if you can see this equity curve here, okay, if you can see this equity curve, you will realize that it went from 11,000 to minus 3,000, and then it went up, then there was a dip. So the maximum peak, the from peak to valley, okay, peak to valley. So these are the drawdowns. You will see a lot of these drawdowns which are part of the equity curve. So this is your equity curve. And for one lot of bank nifty, 2 trades a day for just 15 minutes. If you are wondering, does this really work? Yes, it works, but for that you need to work. You need to take that risk. You need to take those trades, and results will be 5 times, more than 5 times. So and this is for 6 months. People who are in my coaching circles, who are learning from me, who are in my tribe. So basically we have a tribe of 70 people who are learning every day, we are implementing, we are learning from our mistakes. So message me on my number if you want to know how you can also get into my coaching system. Just want to warn you that it is the entry cost is very, very high. It is on the upwards of 25,000 rupees and above. But just anyhow message me and I will tell you how you can get into my coaching system. But there is a Telegram link. You can join my Telegram group called Financial Confidence Hub, where I'll be sharing all of these videos. This report that you are seeing, you can also download it from the link that is there in the description or from the Telegram group, okay, whichever is convenient for you. So if you want more such strategies, let me know which time frame and which stock you want me to backtest, and I can tell you. I am also going to be releasing the stocks that are not the right stocks for ORB, okay, because everybody talks about the profits, but you should also know which stocks are not doing good. So hope you liked my little effort in teaching you drawdown, teaching you the equity curve, win loss and other additional data. And if you have liked this video, click on the like button, share this video with people who are waiting to learn some interesting strategies. Join my Telegram hub. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, do that right now. What are you waiting for? Do that right now. Okay, so back to the presentation. You also backtest this and send me update your results every day in this YouTube channel. And I'm working on other versions, interesting things. Thank you for watching. Have a profitable trading. Look for my other ORB strategies, 1 hour breakout. My next video is on 2nd hour breakout on SBI. SBI is becoming my favorite stuff, and I will see you on the other side. See ya. Bye.